sound is ah. Can you say it? Ah, just like ant. When I draw my ant, I'm going to think very carefully about the lines and shapes that I would use. I'm going to start with the head, and I could do a circle, but I would like to do an oval today, which is a long stretched out circle. So watch how I'm going to do that. I'm going to go near the top of my page. I'm going to leave a little bit of room, but I'm going to go near the top, and I want to do a nice big oval. Something like that. Okay, you go ahead and do your oval. Now, as I'm thinking about what comes next, I'm thinking I would like to do the eyes. Now, when I draw, I like to put the eyes on each side. So one on the left and one on the right. You will have one on the left and one on the right, but you might move yours closer together. You might move yours more up here. You might like yours down here. That is up to you. I am going to do one circle colored in right here, and another circle colored in right here. Okay, the next thing to do is to give our ant a mouth. So when I think about the mouth, I'm going to think about how that ant is feeling. I'm going to do a happy ant. So I'm going to do kind of like a letter U, a little curved line like that. But you think about how your ant is feeling, and you do the kind of mouth that you would like. Okay, I know an ant has 3 body parts. The head is one, then there's a middle part and a next part. So below the head, I am going to do almost a circle. Watch this. Like that. It's kind of like a letter U, isn't it? You go ahead and do that part too. Okay, beside this letter U, or partial circle, I am going to do the next part of the ant's body, and that is going to be like an oval. So here we go. Right beside, on the right side, I am going to come out like this, whoosh, and do a beautiful oval like that. Okay, he's looking a little more ant-like, isn't he? So below this first part of the body, I'm going to do the legs, and I'm just going to use lines. Watch how I do this. I'm going to do one line, 2 lines, given the look of bent legs. 1 line, 2 lines. Now, an ant is an insect, so it has 6 legs. So I've got 1, 2 so far. I need some more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boys and girls, will you count as you draw your legs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Now these legs look okay, but to make them look even nicer, I'm going to draw an oval on each one. So, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count as you draw yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At the top of the ant's head, I have these little things that come out. These are called antennae. And let me think about that. Antennae also makes the sound ah, just like a lowercase a. So I'm going to start on the right-hand side, right over here, and I am going to do one antennae. I'm going to do a curved line that goes and around. And I'm going to come to the other side and do a curved line that goes and around. And there we have it, my beautiful ant. Get ready to write. So now that I've drawn my picture of my ant, I'm ready to write the word ant. Now remember, when I'm writing a word, what I have to do is I have to look at my alphabet and I have to figure out which sounds I need to make that word. So I'm going to say the first sound to myself. Ah, ah. I know that we said at the beginning the letter A says ah. So because it's not a name, I'm going to do a lowercase letter A. Starting at these dotted lines, I'm going to go around, up, and down. Ah. Okay, let's think of the next sound. An, When I look through, what letter do you think it should be? An, a lowercase n? Let's give it a try. And okay, let's put our finger under the first letter and read what we have so far. An. I'm looking for the N sound. Can you tell me what it is? Ant. What letter is that? Ant. T. Starting at the top, put my line across at these dots. Let's check if we've spelled it. Ant. Good job. Should we check if we got it right? Okay, let me grab another marker. Let's do red. Okay, I'm going to tell you the real letters in ant. Ant really does start with an A. Did we get that right? Woohoo! Ant really does have a letter N. Ant. And guess what? Ant has a T at the end. We spelled it correctly. Give yourself a pat on the back. You have now drawn and spelled the word ant.